Brought to you by Agilus Diagnostics.
Agilus Diagnostics.
Summers are already unbearable with the scorching heat and relentless sweating. But did you know that it can also impact your vaginal health? Excessive sweating in the intimate area can lead to bacterial infections and discomfort, such as vaginal itching and urinary tract infections. These conditions are not just inconvenient, but they can be quite distressing and affect your overall well-being. To delve into the causes, symptoms, and essential care tips for vaginal health during this challenging season, we have Dr. Arpana Haritwal, Senior Consultant in Obstetrics and Gynecology, providing expert insights.
Vaginal itching is a very common presenting complaint in female patients attending the gynae OPD. And more so in summers, because of the hot and humid weather, there is excessive perspiration and sweating, which creates excessive moisture in the perineal area, and this serves as an optimum environment for the various bacteria and fungus to grow. So normally what happens is vagina contains some healthy bacteria which maintain the vaginal pH between 4 to 4.5, that is an acidic pH, and this prevents various fungal and bacterial infections to happen in the vagina. However, whenever there is a disruption of this pH, this can lead to various bacterial and fungal infections. Now, what are the various conditions which can cause disruption of the vaginal pH, resulting in vaginal infections, vaginal itching and discharge? 1. Certain hormonal changes. 2. Bacterial infections or sexually transmitted diseases. 3. Prolonged use of antibiotics or steroids, which kills the normal healthy bacteria of the vagina. Then uncontrolled diabetes. Then use of vaginal washes, irritants, scented soaps, deodorants or vaginal sprays. Then excessive hot and humid weather. Now, how to prevent or cure this vaginal itch? Good hygiene practices are the key factor. Avoid using vaginal washes, irritants, deodorants or sprays. Instead, just use plain water to wash the perineal area. Get your sugars checked. Use cotton underwears and preferably avoid wearing them at bedtime so that there is no excess moisture in that area for a prolonged duration. During menstrual cycles, change the sanitary napkins or pads frequently. So, stay healthy and use safe hygiene practices. Urinary tract infection, commonly known as UTI, is another common presenting complaint in summers. UTI as such is 4 times more common in women than in men. And in summers, the risk increases because there is loss of fluid. The hot and humid weather leads to excessive moisture and sweating in the perineal area, which increases the chances of bacterial and fungal infections to grow in the perineal area, and they can ascend up the urinary tract. Now, what are the common symptoms of UTI? Increased frequency of micturition, urgency of micturition, post-micturition dribbling, pain while passing urine, pain lower abdomen, and sometimes hematuria also, that is passing of blood in the urine. Now, how to prevent it or cure it? Stay well hydrated. Take increased amount of fluids. Increase the amount of fluid intake to about 2 liters of fluid per day, especially during summers. You can try certain home remedies like cranberry juices or coconut water. Use safer sex practices. Always urinate after having sexual contact so that if any bacteria transmitted during the sexual contact, they get washed away. Always wash the perineal area after passing urine and wipe from front to back so that the fecal bacteria get washed away and they do not enter the urinary tract. If you are having recurrent episodes of UTI, get your sugars checked. Do not hold urine for long and do not be in a rush while passing urine. Empty the bladder completely. Still, if you are having recurrent episodes of UTI, do consult a specialist, get your urine checked and get the targeted therapy.
So with the right knowledge and by following proactive measures, you can stay comfortable and also take care of your vaginal health. That's all for today, and keep watching Doc Talk on FitTalk.